What is good, guys? It's AllisonX back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be doing something a little different. So Allison was cheap today and decided, oh, you know what, I'm going to fix an old pair of shoes of mine. So I've had these shoes for about 2 years, and as you could see, they are extremely beat. Okay, they have been through a lot. We have been through a lot. But things are looking up, and I feel like it's just time for a makeover. So not only am I going to be refurbishing these shoes, but I will also show you guys how to make a very simple yet really good looking galaxy design. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all how to do that today. Please, if you like the video, share, comment, like, subscribe, do all of that good stuff below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I have finished these Customz. This is probably my favorite custom that I've done on this channel so far. And low-key, very glad that I did it on one of my old pairs, so now I don't gotta give them away. I just wear them myself. But anyways, yeah, so let me know what y'all think down in the comments. The Nike Supreme collab, my version of it. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, so I'll be posting 2 to 3 times a week now, just because we're in quarantine, we're all bored, and it seems like this ain't ending anytime soon. So yeah, please, if you like the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate all of the support that I've been getting from people I don't even know. Y'all don't know how much it means to me, so thank you for that, and I'll see you sometime this week.